Amendment number 8, yes. Mhm. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted. Mhm. You know, these amendments, yeah, I like to have them enforced. Now, I would say it's excessive to have a bail of $500,100. In fact, I would say it's excessive, Judge Porter, to have a bail of $1,000. Yes. When I emailed the law enforcement, yes, asking them for notice of the actual court hearing. Now, Mike Van Proyen was getting all of my mail, and I did not find that out until I was actually in jail. Yes. Now, those 27 days that you kept me in jail, yeah. Were you obligated me to have a 1077? Yes. Were you dismissed the case because you said I was incompetent? Yes. Obviously, amendment number 6 was violated. Oh, when you didn't allow me to confront the alleged victim of domestic violence. Amendment number 5 was violated. Yes. When, well, amendment number 8 was violated, Judge Porter. See, I was on personal recognizance. Yes. And the expectation was that the public defender would motion the court and explain to the court that I was on the bus that morning. Yes. And I was in the library that afternoon. Ouch. But nobody actually admitted the evidence of my innocence. See, they talked about the protection order and whether or not it was valid. Had nothing to do about the actual crime itself. Now, the prosecuting attorney's office had an obligation to inform the court that Paul wasn't in Sequim, and I had the availability of confronting the alleged victim of the violating of the restraint provisions of the protection order. Yes. Now, since I did have the evidence of my innocence, when you obstructed my right to confront Heidi Lee Budnick, pooch, you obstructed my right to have custody of my sons. Now, it is an excessive bail to require $1,000 bail, yes, for missing a scheduled mental health evaluation where I had a valid medical reason for wanting to reschedule it, yes, giving the dates that I was available. Let's go ahead. And knowing the public defender's office would not exonerate me of any wrongdoing. See, the conspiracy, yes, the hate crime, the war crime, ouch, was that you all conspired to deprive me of the evidence of my innocence. Now, it is excessive bail to require bail to get out of jail, yes, without notice of the actual court hearing. And since the public defender's office emailed me requesting my presence in court, I said, yes, give me the notice. Now, Mike obviously had knowingly obstructed my right to the enforcement of amendment number 5, yes, with the intention, yes, that I should have to experience the excessive bail imposed upon me. Poop! Now, when the pastor, Kingsway Foursquare Church, intentionally withholds from me any due process, he illegally had seized what belongs to me as the named defendant. Ouch! Response. Now, I'm suing Mike, yes, for violating amendment number 5, ouch, for depriving me of my property, yes, and then amendment number 4, yes, for seizing my papers. Let's go ahead. Now, I'd like to get put in fucking prison today. Do you understand me right now?